boy Mustang Muscle back with another video. Yes, we're here at Power Lab. We finna get ready to do something good to Athena. We finna raise up the tone, make her sound a little bit more aggressive. As you can see that we're gonna do it like a little unboxing, if you want to call it. Don't worry about the trunk. Everybody know what the trunk for. Yeah, look, yeah, it's a mess, ain't it? See, that's what y'all women be up to. Y'all don't be wanting us to see that. See, y'all want to keep the house clean and all that. Then y'all come to y'all little private space. And that's what it looked like. But yeah, as I walk in the Power Lab, we're going to do an unboxing. All right, we're here in Power Lab. As you can see, the good folks at Power Lab, Chase the tuner, has cleared off the table so we can do an unboxing. Do you have a box cutter, sir?
Yeah, I got you.
All right. Yes, sir. Go ahead and get this guy opened up so we can see. Oh, and before I open it, I just want to say I'm not sponsored by Steeder, but if they watch my videos, please do hit me with a nice discount code for the people so that we could get more people buying more quality products and all that good stuff. I got the man here, the doctor of all cars, making sure that your car running well, sporty, full of performance, and the sauce.
There you go, sir. I'll let you get back to it.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Ooh-wee. Look at this guy here. As y'all know, it'd be hard to unravel with one hand, but I can do it. I can do it. Hold on, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sit you guys over here. Ain't she pretty? Oh man. Look at it. Clamps falling off.
Clamp down.
Hello. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful piece. I can't wait to hear how she sounds. So as you can see, we got Athena up in the air. We finna get ready to make some noise in here. She's beautiful up under her skirt. So as you can see, this is the resonator. This is what we're gonna get rid of. It's an ugly little suitcase looking thing. And we got that beauty right there. That's gonna, oh yeah, perfect. Oh, and it looks good. And y'all, that's the T304 stainless steel. It won't rust. That's what they say. All right, I'm gonna let the guys get to work. You know what I'm saying? Get out their way. Let them handle their business. We'll be back.
under.
I'll let you do the honors.
Now we're gonna hear how this bad girl sound. Another successful job done by the guys at Power Lab. Yes, sir, man. Oh, man, she's real excited about this. Athena done got her tone, baby. Athena, oh boy, she done got it. You know you're gonna have to do a flyby for me.
Oh, yeah, okay.
All right, there you have it. Oh, boy, we finna see that flyby. Tell her nothing, y'all. Boy, she's super happy, y'all. Can't tell her nothing. She gonna go on and give us a flyby. Look, she's so excited. Here she come. And if y'all can hear that wind, excuse me for that wind noise. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the goddess of war, she's ready, y'all. Oh, long tubes and tune coming soon. Yes, sir.